Hey everyone, this is Britt on Team Posse. I'm just going to record this quick Loom to show you how to integrate Canva with ChatGPT. So this only works if you have ChatGPT 4 up here. So that's the plus version. But if you do have the plus version, then this is what you're going to want to do. You can see on the side we already have Canva here because we've already integrated it. If you don't yet have that listed here, click on Explore GPTs. You should see Canva right here, and if you don't see it, you can just type it in and click on it. Select Start Chat and type in whatever it is that you want to do. I'm just going to select this one. How about an inspirational quote graphic for social media? So it wants to know the vibe. We're gonna make it motivational, edgy, sassy, and fun. And this part might take a while. It's talking to Canva right now. So what it's going to do is it is going to give you two options, and then what's cool about it is you can just click on the option that you like and it will take you straight to Canva where you can then edit. ChatGPT takes things a little seriously sometimes. Get your sass on. That's funny. Not what I meant at all. I like this one, so we'll select this one, and you can see it's just going to open it straight into Canva, which makes it super easy. Now you can just edit the text to say whatever you want. And that is how you integrate ChatGPT with Canva. Hope this helps.